Nobody wakes up and wants to be a drug addict. Nobody wakes up and says, hey, I'm going to prison today. Like, this is going to be great. You know what I mean? It can happen to anyone. My addiction led me to do things I would never do now. I'm embarrassed by them, but I'm an open book about it because there's no shame in my game. I know what I did. My name is Lauren Bianco. I graduated from Rutgers in Camden in 2020 with a degree in psychology and a double minor in criminal justice and sociology. In 2013, I got incarcerated. My charges were second-degree robbery, forgery, and uttering, which was, bad enough as it was due to my drug addiction, obviously. It led me down some paths that I definitely never wanted to go down. My original addiction started from pain pills because I hurt my back doing gymnastics, and I hid it for a long time. It's embarrassing. And then eventually I became, addicted to heroin instead of pills. And in 2013, that came to a halt very abruptly when I was incarcerated. I did 6.5 years. When I first got incarcerated, I was angry. My own father turned me in. My family was done. I will honestly say that incarceration saved my life. My dad saved my life when he got me incarcerated. And I think that a shorter prison sentence may not have been okay for me because I was that bad of an addict. So I know that like the first couple years, it's like, oh, I can't wait to get home. I want to get high. I want to party. But by the third and fourth year, fourth Christmas, my son coming to see me 2 feet taller than when I left, like those sort of things, they weigh heavy. They weigh very heavy on you. So in 2015, I signed up for NJ STEP, which is where you go to college and prison. That's like the program that helps you. I went to Garrett House in Camden through the DOC, and it was even more amazing that they even approved it because I was the first woman ever to go to Rutgers from Garrett House at the time. When you get sent away for so long, you have no clue what you're gonna do. Like, how are you gonna salvage this life? I'm this many years behind. I'm gonna be 35 when I get home almost, and at 35, I'm starting off when most people are established with their kids and they're, you know what I mean? It's like, so when Rutgers came through and like I started doing that, it gave me hope. And not to mention that they helped me with a lot of funding. Like I got scholarships. They would tell me what to apply for, and I would do the work, obviously, but, I ended up getting a lot of different scholarships and grants, which, not only looked good, but helped me tremendously, especially when I came home. That last semester, when I got my grant money back and they paid for my tuition, it was my fresh start. Currently, I just started my own business and we're 501c pending. It's called Phoenix Rising Reentry. We're getting our first house in Camden up and running, hopefully within the next few months here. And ultimately, we offer reentry housing is my main specialty, but we offer all reentry and transitional services, if not through ourselves, through community partners. My whole purpose in everything is people coming home and never spending a day on the street. The main thing when you come home is having shelter and food and getting job stability quickly. There's no reason for people to be homeless. I can drive through Camden and probably spot 50 to 100 houses in every couple blocks that are empty, vacant, just sitting there. There's no reason for it. And there's no reason that we can't try to secure these houses and turn them into something, because nobody should ever be homeless. I live in a beautiful house now. It's not mine by any means, but it's my family and I love them and I'm thankful for them, because if I didn't have this, where would I be? I can say this, life is hard and life is unforgiving. It will beat you down every chance it gets, and you just gotta keep getting up and fighting to get it back. Don't give up, don't give up. And if you need help, ask, because Rutgers will help. Rutgers-Camden is the most amazing institution. I love every single person there that has helped me. I'm thankful for them every day. I hope that they realize how much they did for me.